Hello, my name is Michael McMahon, and I'm privileged and honored to serve the people of Staten Island as their district attorney. I want to thank you for joining with us this week to commemorate Crime Victims Week under the theme of honoring our past and creating hope for the future. And that's really at the heart of what we do every day in our office, standing up and fighting for victims of crime, helping them get through the trauma that they've suffered and getting their lives back together.
As difficult as it is right now, things are going to get better.
You have to go on. You bounce, you don't break. You're not an egg, you're a ball, you keep on bouncing. Some days you'll have better than others, but you don't give up.
Grieve for as long as you need to grieve, but I would say to do it in a healthy way.
Because when you go through that, you just understand that nothing is certain. Nothing is certain.
After a while, you have to go out there and fight against what made you a victim.
It's day by day. We don't win them all, but if you win 1 out of 100, you've done your job.
I'm proud of the work that our Victim Advocates Group do, and I'm especially proud of my Domestic Violence Bureau, as well as my Special Victims Bureau. They are standing up every day in court, fighting for the victims of crime and making sure those who perpetrated the crime against them are held accountable. So thank you for joining us, and we're looking forward to a great week.
Thank you for joining us in recognition of National Crime Victims' Rights. We're honored to be able to play a role in promoting education and awareness about victims' rights.
We hope you will find the messages imparted here to be uplifting and strengthening. We thank the participants and survivors who have given of their time and shared their personal stories.
We thank all the community members who have helped spread the word about honoring survivors and families.
We want all survivors of trauma to know you are not alone.
We hope the insights and reflections conveyed here will inspire you to use your own voice and join us in our continued mission to advance healing through purpose and expression.
As you can see, there's some great work going on Staten Island to help those who are victims of crime. And it all keeps in notion with our theme this year of National Crime Victims Week, honoring our past and creating hope for the future. That's the great work that the men and women in my office do every day, our partners in the police department, the different victim advocate agencies that are here to help those who suffer from crime. But our work will never be done until we prevent those crimes from happening in the future, and that's how together we will create hope for the future for the people of Staten Island. Too often in today's world we hear discussion about reforming the criminal justice system, and that's important. We have to make it as fair as possible. But what we don't hear is enough about the victims and what they've gone through and how they need the different programs to get their lives back together. That's what we connect people with in our office, and I'm proud of the work that our victim advocates do, as well as our special victims and domestic violence bureaus in particular. But all the men and women in our office know that our the heart of our office is making sure that victims are connected with service and that they understand that we're on their side. So thank you again for joining us, and have a great day.